Hey guys! Today let's learn how to get Spotify Premium on Android and iOS for free. And this is the latest update. All you need to do is to head on over onto Safari, and then I want you guys to search for a Spotify free trial. Now, for those who don't know, Spotify actually offers a constant, again, I repeat, a constant free trial for those new users. So basically, all you need to do, guys, even if you are rather well, practically, you don't have an account yet. So basically, once you head over onto this link right here and it says it's going to offer you Spotify Premium 1 month for free cancel anytime. All you need to do is to click on that and of course, sign up with your new account, your new phone number, your new address, everything new. And basically, you could easily alter that, even if you do have an account already because, well, Spotify doesn't really get that specific onto these. Will something like that specifically your details? So basically, if you want to head on over and have a Spotify Premium for free just out of nowhere and fill these, as you can see here, fill all of these fields and choose, of course, the free option. So click on Get Started, guys. And of course, as you can see here, since I do have my account already logged in, it's not really going to allow me to avail the free trial. But for those new members, I'm going to recommend you guys to use the free trial and cancel anytime, basically if you want. If you can cancel anytime, that means that before the 1 month of the free trial ends, go ahead and cancel it so that basically you won't get charged. And then I want you guys to head on over and create a new account. So basically, you can have Spotify Premium for free forever. If you just have multiple accounts, create new names, new numbers, use new addresses and stuff like that, which is pretty easy because not only you can create an account, you could actually create an account with a different name, maybe the name of your mother or your father, a family member, a close friend were in there. Details you can easily get a hold of. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.